Part 2, 3 Degrees of Glory. The ancient Temple of Solomon was built following a threefold structure that represented the increasingly sacred gradations of space in the cosmos between man on earth and God in heaven. These three levels can be seen to correspond with the restored church's doctrine of the 3 degrees of glory. From what we know from the existing descriptions of the Temple of Solomon, the temple complex was divided into the temple courts and the porch, which can be associated with the material world, the Great Hall or the Holy Place, which represented an intermediate realm between heaven and earth, and the Holy of Holies, symbolizing the spiritual or eternal realm, which was the dwelling place of God. The courts that surrounded the temple building represented the created world in graded levels of holiness, which increased in representative glory as one approached the pinnacle of the holy mountain. All objects of worship found in the inner court were made of bronze, in contrast to the gold furnishing found within the sanctuary. The brazen sea, an enormous bronze basin of water, stood in front of the temple, supported on the backs of 12 bronze oxen. It is believed that it was used for the priests to wash themselves in, likely in the form of a ritual immersion. It was meant to represent the deep, the primordial sea from which the creation arose. The cosmic sea was imagined as surrounding the created order, which was represented by the temple building. The containment of the raging sea was a sign of Yahweh's power and primordial victory over the chaotic waters. The bronze sea may also be seen as a symbol of the fountain of living waters that flowed from Eden, with the 4 sets of oxen representing the 4 rivers flowing forth to water the whole earth. The oxen also represented the 12 tribes of Israel.